guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tyree, here with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my new ring light, which is from Neewer. I guess that's how you pronounce the company's name. I got this from Amazon, so I'm going to do a first impressions with you guys, and then we're going to go from there. Alright, so first things first, I just want to show you guys the packaging it came in. So it came in this big box. And on the bottom of the box came this part here, and then this big black bag came on top of it. I just wanted to mention that because once I took the black bag out, I was ready to throw the box away, and something told me to check it just in case, and then that's when I realized that this part was in there. So let's go ahead and open this part. This bag, by the way, is a carrier, so it has like a strap and stuff like that, so if you wanted to, I guess, take your ring light somewhere with you, then you could use this bag. Of course, it's for storage as well as travel purposes. I've been working on investing in my channel, so I wanted to actually get a ring light because I usually do daytime light or natural light, whatever, and that's what you're seeing right now. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is the ring light itself. So this is what it looks like. Hopefully the lighting is picking up. I'm sorry if this is blurry. But it has like all these like little gadgets here that is for the lighting. So we're gonna open this next. And then I'll put it together for you guys as well. Okay, so the battery pack. Okay, let's see what this thing is. It looks like it's supposed to hold your phone. I don't know. Oh, it's a little remote. So it comes with this little remote. Okay, a plug. It has the amber light panels. Here's the regular light panels for just your nice natural bright light. There's a little thing right here that tells you everything that you should have in the bag. So then it's pretty obvious that whatever's in here is the stand for the actual ring light. Here is the stand. Comes with a few things, so let's go ahead and assemble this. Alright, so I put it together so far, very easy, just follow along with the instructions. So I chose to put on the white filter instead of the amber one, but I'll show you guys how the amber one looks as well. I just want to show you how big it is. I could literally fit my whole head through it. It's my height right now, and this is the shortest that it goes. Just so you guys know, the remote does come with batteries. Alright, so I have the camera inside of the ring light. So now that I'm thinking, this remote is probably supposed to be, I have to look it up because I don't see anywhere in the instructions that tells me what this remote is for, and it probably is supposed to pair with my personal camera and be able to take pictures, like, you know, by pressing the button. So I just found the on and off switch, which is actually, of course, attached to the ring light. Oh, ow. And it says that I can brighten it and dim it. Okay, so this is the brightest that it is. And now I'm going to dim it. So this is like one of the lowest settings. Just bring it up. Yeah, okay. It's perfect. Oh my god, I have a ring light. I've always wanted one. So I paid $137.99 for this ring light, whereas the Diva ring light, which is the other one that's most popular as well, is about $215 or $229 on Amazon. So these are the two popular ring lights that I know of, just Diva ring and Neewer ring light. And honestly, I saw some really good reviews about the Neewer ring light, and it's almost half the price. So I just figured, you know what, my channel is small, let me not invest too much, but I do need a ring light so that I can stop relying on like daytime light as well as my box lights. I have a hard time like getting the perfect lighting from them. So I am going to actually take off the transparent light covering and put on the amber one to see what type of effect we get, and that'll pretty much wrap up our whole unboxing today. Alright, so this is all snapped in. Let's turn it on and see what kind of lighting we get. Oh my god, this is so pretty! Oh my goodness. I really like it. It's so pretty. Oh my god. I love the whole, just everything, like the reflection it's giving me, the way it's making my skin glow. The amber light just gives you like a nice tone. It doesn't flush out your complexion or anything like that. I am gonna put it side by side just in case, so you guys can see like the different reflections that I'm getting. But yeah, so here is the amber next to the white covering. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing for you guys and also give you some information and insight on this particular brand of ring light. So again, I have the Neewer ring light, not the Diva ring light. This particular ring light is only $137 on Amazon. I have the link below in the description box as well. So in my opinion, this is gonna save me so much time from having to set up both my box lights and having to set up my camera stand as well. I just get everything all in one, and I have the ability to manipulate the light settings. I could dim it or I can brighten it, and I can change the mood, and it's a great investment. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Bye.